Hey everybody, it's Crappie Dan with Crappie Now. One thing with our tools, which is our rods and reels in fishing, the rod is an extremely important point of fishing, and it's an important tool. As you can see here, I've got a rod guide that inadvertently got bent during use. So I took my rod apart. It comes in two pieces, and you can see here I've got one of them that's bent. If you look at another one above it, this is correct. This is not correct. Your line will not flow through this correctly. So you want to make sure before you go fishing, check all your rods and reels, make sure that the rods have all of their eyelets correct. The best way to do these are real easy on B&Ms. Just go in here, correct your eyelet, bend it back to the point which it looks similar to the one above it. If you make sure that it is, you're going to have your line flowing through there. You're going to have better hookups, better casts, better jig pitches. It's going to be great. Try this next time you go out. It's Crappie Dan from Crappie Now. Have a great day.